Chris Bassett here. I'm going to do a quick video on how to grow a beard, but not only grow one, but make it look thicker and fuller with a couple added tricks for diet and exercise. Let's get into it. So, when does facial hair start appearing? Generally speaking, you start to grow a beard right at puberty, so around 12, 13 years old. Most young guys notice facial hair like typically on their upper lip or in their chin. So generally speaking, the older you get, the more your beard fills in. So I mean, it does go, from your chin to your cheeks, your sideburns, neck, and the older you get, the thicker it will come in, but it is limited to genetics. So some other general information about beard hair is it's roughly twice the diameter thickness of the hair on your head. So it makes it extra tough, wiry. They have beard oils and conditioners that you can put in to make it smoother, softer, and it also grows about the same speed as the hair on your head as well. It's also pretty important to wash your beard every day. Your beard produces oils, and it can lead to feeling dirty or smelling bad, so you want to make sure you wash it. I just use like a shampoo, but there are a line of products that are specifically for beard washing and conditioning, and it's pretty important to get rid of the dead skin that's on your face. So that's a good practice to get into. Something you need to keep in mind is you need to be patient. It takes a few days for the whiskers to come in, but it can take a month, 6 months, even a year. Like when I first started growing my beard, it was patchy, like in the middle and in the sides here. That took a year for it to finally fill out, and what you don't realize is even like the little blonde hairs in your beard, they'll help cover in some of the patches, so it would take quite some time. I mean, if you don't want like a big, long, bushy beard, as long as you trim it, but you let the follicles grow out, it'll help fill in your beard the longer that you let it grow. There are a lot of different supplements you can take to help your beard. I mean, there's vitamins, there's oral supplements, there's like oils and lotions you can put on your face. But most of all, just eating healthy. I mean, any food that you can ingest that will boost your testosterone level. Eggs, red meat, and obviously lifting heavy weights will boost that testosterone level. And if you're consistent and over time, you'll notice your beard will come in fuller and thicker. So some of the vitamins that you'd want to try to supplement with would be like B3, B5, B7, and B9. You can eat nuts for a source of vitamin B7. You'll also find the vitamins B3 and 5 in chicken, beef, fish, and dairy. And then eating like leafy greens, you get your vitamin B9. So overall, just a healthy diet will promote hair growth, overall. In addition to eating fruits and vegetables, you also want to really drink a lot of water. Staying hydrated is great for overall health. And then you want to cut back on like processed foods, saturated and trans fats as well. In addition to eating healthy, you also want to exercise regularly. So lifting weights or moderate intensity exercise 3 times a week will help keep you healthy, but it'll also boost your testosterone levels. And as important as working out is, so is sleep. You need to make sure that you're getting plenty of sleep every night, at least 8 hours. I mean, everyone's different, but 8 hours of sleep so you can recover and recuperate. I also did think about using Rogaine on my face when I was having trouble getting my beard to come in. The more research that I did on it, the more I found out that it was probably pretty harmful to your face, and it's generally not recommended to be put on your face. You can always talk to your doctor about it, but just keep in mind that if it does cause new hair growth, if you stop using it, that hair will fall out. A few other ways to kind of modify to trick your beard into looking thicker and fuller would obviously be to let it get long. The longer you get, the more combing options you have, and you can kind of comb it and shape it to cover up the patchy spots. Something else that can be useful is if you have a lighter beard, like blonde, you can take hair dye. So they have, you know, the shampoo in hair dye, and if you go a couple shades darker, you can hide the lighter colors in your beard, and just the dark color will actually make it look like you have a thicker beard. I'm gonna go ahead and link a few products down in the description for beard maintenance and growth. And if you found any of this helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks.